In today's Call Christina, a South Florida detective is working to stop scammers by reaching out to you before you hand over your hard-earned cash.
It's a new idea in an effort to combat a classic con, the telephone scam. Here's Local 10 consumer advocate Christina Vasquez.
They identified themselves as the IRS.
I want to know what is this all about, okay?
They started telling me that the IRS has a lawsuit against me.
The threatening call spooking this single mother.
It was so shocking to me. The first thing was crying.
Terrified, Evelyn Llorente called a lawyer who told her, she said, to watch Call Christina.
Go on Channel 10 News and watch Christina and you'll see.
In recent weeks, we have warned you about scammers posing as the IRS, FPL, even Miami police in an effort to scare you and steal your money. And one big red flag in these telephone scams, the way they say you need to pay. If you hear you need to pay by wire transfer, gift card, or prepaid debit card, you should instantly be suspicious. Listen to what they told Evelyn.
They started telling me that if I didn't pay them $4,000 right away with the debit card, that in 45 minutes I was going to have an FBI officer taking me arrested.
The telephone scam artists rely upon fear. If you're scared, you're not going to think correctly.
Coral Springs economic crimes detective Karen Hallman has been fielding an uptick in reports about these telephone scams. The fraudsters behind them are often foreign nationals, she tells me, making prosecuted cases nearly impossible. Plus,
once you buy that gift card and you give that number over the phone, that's as good as cash. It's gone.
That's when she came up with this. Getting on the front edge of this telephone scam, stopping it in its tracks with this sign. It outlines classic cons and ways fraudsters ask you to pay. And she's placing them right at the cash registers of various stores, to include Walgreens and Walmart.
Let's make people stop doing this. Let's get them reading while they're standing in line or reading while they're waiting to buy these. If you've never paid for FPL, you've never paid IRS with a gift card, why are you doing it now? That doesn't make sense. And maybe that is enough to say, I'm being scammed.
Her hope is to help you before you fall victim to this economic crime. That's also what we strive to do. Evelyn said after watching several Call Christina stories on Local10.com, she learned the call was a scam and thankfully didn't lose a penny.
I want to know what is this all about.
I actually do watch you guys every day. This won't happen to me again.
Excellent. Welcome, Evelyn, to the Call Christina community. Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.